May I invite Mr. Koya once again to give the presentation for the promote the co-management community based in Xouang Reservoir. Mr. Koya.
Yes, thank you very much. Okay, I also again same explanation about the project design in the Xouang Reservoir, a target site. Xouang Reservoir. It's the same way of how to create that project design. First, confirm the project site. Where is the site? In Lao. This is name is Xouang Reservoir, a small lake, and the place is near the Vientiane, and located this reservoir. It is 5 hours, 2 hours by car from Vientiane. And then this is a picture from Google Earth. Around this reservoir, there is no light-speed area. This is not light-speed areas. And then this is near the face of water, and small scales fishing boats. Fisherman's using a user. And also same way to create project design. First, the problem clears to clear that in the what is occurring the problem in the fishing village, and the next step is we clear objective in the what we should do the project as project activity, and final is project making a project design. First is clear the problem in the village, and we previous research in this area. There are main 4 problems. First, this is similar in the Xouang, similar. Why we don't found the similar issues. First is increasing the number of fisheries. Second one is catch volume decreasing, and the third is no fisheries organization. Fourth is this is specific issues problem traditional practice in fisheries. First issue problem is increasing number of fishes. Why increase? There's a few jobs around this area. Scale is very small. Livestock business. There's no aquaculture business. There's no processing. That's why there's no few. There's few job opportunity. Second reason, anyone can freely access in fisheries. Anyone can start the fishing because no fishing license system in this Lao, and the population of the basically in this area increasing. Limit land for agriculture around this reservoir. There is no rice field or land areas. Many like a mountain areas, so there is no enough land for agriculture. Second issue, problem, catch volume is decreasing. Why? Illegal fishing persistent, and fishers no comply rule, conservation area prohibited, and continue to use the electric fishing. It's a electric shock fishing, very dangerous, and killing the fish, juvenile fish, and spawner fish is killing also. This is fishermen using. And the small size fishing are code. There is no restriction over measure size of fishing gears. And that's the reason. And this, and the conservation area not clear, not identified. Illegal fishing continue operation in the conservation area. Conservation area cannot understand, fishers cannot understand from the water, cannot be seen. And the price of fish is high. This is a good reason, but the high price bring the very more fishing because they can get the money. Fishermen get the money. So bring the overfishing. And anyone can do fishing. It's no license system and increasing number of fishers and increasing fishing effort. That is the reason of catch volume is decreasing. And the second one, and the fishers organization, there is no fishers organization. There is no fishers regulation, no established by fishers themselves, and fishers do not have a knowledge, fisheries management system, and fishers have no fund to promote fishing management. There is no money for fishers. And the final issues, this is interesting for me. Program and traditional practice. Why traditional practice? Fishers do not punish illegal fishing. They have a custom of avoiding conflict. Lao people don't like conflict. And there is a free access. This is the basic traditional thinking because fishermen can freely, no license, so cannot stop. And then fishers themselves satisfied current status. This is more not satisfied. I cannot believe that many people say that, fishers. So this is a final issue. Maybe this problem out of the order of this project cannot solve. Project cannot solve this issue, but we pick up that issue also, problem also. And next step, objective of the what is which project should do in of activity. And objective 3, there's 4 activity objective. First is prevent increasing the number of fishers. Second is straighten the fishing rule. Third is set up the conservation area. And fourth is establish fishing organization. This is maybe similar objective in the Xouang. First presentations, Xouang village also say similar objective. First objective prevents the increasing number of fishes. How to do? Creating a new job, aquaculture and processing. Second, straighten the fishing rule, formulating fishing regulation, and making fishers comply fisheries regulation rules, and form consensus among the fishers to comply with fisheries regulation, and then provide the fishers with information, current status of their fishery resources. This is, it means that if this area dangerous dangerous situation of fisheries resources stock, that is this information very maybe fishers awareness is more increasing awareness for fisheries resources. And the next issue, objective, set up the conservation area, clarifying a conservation area, specific location and rule, because almost fishermen and part-time fishermen don't know where it's a conservation area and what is the rule of the conservation area. So this is first. And second is the promote fisheries rule in conservation area. And third is making fishers aware of the importance of the conservation area. And final is the construction, establish fishers organization, FMC, in Laos, established. Next one, introduce fishers management rule to fishers organization under the organization and form consensus between the fishermen, fishing regulation. This is objective and objective list. And then finally, we understand what is problem and what is objective of the project activity, and we compile the project design, output, and activity, making this table. And we first project objective, sustainable utilization for fisheries resources and fisheries livelihood security in Xouang Reservoir. And output, there are 4 output. First is fishers management of FMC will be organized, and the fishers rule and the regulation comes on reservoir will be improved and strengthened. And the third, fishers management in the conservation zone will be improved. And the fourth is fishers income will be improved by promoting fishing processing product, because this area there is no fish processing product business. There is no business. And then finally, we linkage one output, one activity, one output, one activity. We linkage the output to activity. First, establish the FMC and conduct meeting and develop the management rule. And second activity, promote the fishing management rule. Conducting training, information, something, dissemination fishing management rule. And the second one, product extension media such as poster and signboard, something. We announce the regulation to fishers. And implement practical surveillance activity at the conservation surveillance. Third activity, strengthen the fisheries resource management. First, evaluation, fishing resources. This is worked by IFR and Dr. Lina conducted. 3.2, activity 3.2, demarcation, mapping, conservation zone, installation of buoys. And the third, fishery restocking program. That restocking is mean release of some small juvenile fish to release to reservoir. And then finally, improve the fishing processing technique and value-added processing. First, research appropriate processing product, what is the can sell, fishermen can sell in the market. And practice training course for the technique, processing technique, the teacher teach to fishers. Fisherman's wife to make the processing product. And the final is the on-site production fishing products in processing group. And the site is some fisher's wife group starts the processing products, producing a processing product. It's already done. This is activity. So we also small detail planning and including the budget planning, for example, processing activity, when training course, for example, training course, meeting. Sorry, this is post something. But we detail activity designed for us before the starting the project, and sometimes modify this plan because situation changes. So, for example, this processing activity here first, survey or decided production type of production something. We all the time to making this detailed plan and then modify that some depend on the proceeding of the project. And we not say yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is sorry. Thank you very much.